Hello everyone, I've recently purchased this second-hand EOS 700D Canon camera 58mm mount, and I decided to go on Amazon and buy a lens kit, and it arrived today. So according to Amazon listing, we should have inside this kit a 58mm, I already said this, 0.43 wide angle lens with macro portion, 2.2 teleconverter, close-up lens filter, which should be 1, 2, 4, and 10 times, 3 filters, CPL, FLD, and UV, lens hood, lens cap, anti-drop leash, cleaning cloth, lens pouch. And of course it says Note camera is not included. It would be nice though, but anyway, current price, I'm looking at it right now, is £34.99. I'll add the listing in the description so you can check it yourself, because the price might change. Okay, let's start. So we have the cleaning cloth here, newer, good. What is that? I think these are the macro filters, yeah. Which one is that? So that's close up 10. Four. And guess what? This should be 1, maybe. 2. And I assume this is the 1. Yeah, and the 1. I like this bag. Pretty cool and small. Okay, that's the hood, looking good. This should be the filters, yeah. So this purple pinkish one is the FLD. That's gotta be the UV. Oh no, that's the CPL, sorry. And then that should be the UV. Yes, UV, right there. You see it? Yes. Okay, let's take a look. What else do we have in the back? In the box, sorry. Again, nice little pouch, if you like, or a bag to store the filters. Spare cap. Oh, that should be the anti-drop strap. What else is in there? Was this real leather? No, I don't think so. Pro quality amateur prices. Sounds good. Are these hairs coming out of this? Ah, phew. I hope not. So what is this thing here? That is the... What's that? The telephoto lens. Nice. So you mount them, you open the... Ooh! Nice, isn't it? Oh, it's changing. So I just screw it to the existing lens of the camera. Oh, good sound. Good sound. And that should be the wide angle one with the macro. Yeah, so that's the macro portion. Yeah, 0.43 wide angle. Are we going to have this beautiful sound here as well? That's deep sound. No, not that impressive. Let's try and screw this to the camera. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it fits, no issues whatsoever. I just need to catch the thread, which is a bit tricky. Yeah, got it. There you go. It fits. Perfect. Looking good. I'm going to get out and test all these now. So that's the macro portion. Let's try and not touch any of the lens. And if you have any questions, if you want to see anything in particular or any test requirements, I don't know what that would be, because these are lens after all. But just let me know in the comments, guys. I'll be more than happy to try and do this for you. Keep in mind that I am not a professional photographer, so I have a rough idea what am I doing, but not by much. I'm still learning. In my opinion, good kit, relatively cheap. You have quite a lot of stuff for less than 40 pounds, which in my book is good. They look good. Again, I need to test and see if the image quality is going to be good, if you can focus, and if they all fit. But yeah, look at this. All this for 39 pounds. Looking good. I'm looking forward to your comments and questions. And I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you love this sound. Oh, it's not making it now. Bye-bye.